Hello grocery ninjas, welcome back. Today we're working with lemons that are no longer fresh. They look a little tired, but they still have so much to give. We'll juice them and use their peels to make natural cleaner. Get comfortable, relax, and let's begin. First, we need to give these a good rinse. Now that they're clean, let's cut into the first lemon. See that? Still juicy inside. We're going to save every drop. We're going to use a juicer, but first, let's get the rest of the lemons cut. Now, time to juice. Place the lemon half in the juicer. Press and twist. Good. Now, don't throw these peels away. We can give them a second life. The vinegar will draw out the lemon oils, making a natural cleaner. Use what you have on hand. I'm using a recycled pickle jar. So today, our old lemons gave us lemon juice and a natural cleaner that in a couple of weeks will be ready to use. No waste. Be sure to get out the seeds. Now, time to pour into a container. Keep in the refrigerator for a couple of weeks. And if you're not using fresh, you can freeze this for later use. Thank you for joining me as we take a look at ways we can avoid food waste and use what we have in our kitchens. Until next time, Grocery Ninjas, take care.